To install and use the Encounter Jesus app, head on to the Play Store app in your mobile device, open it up. Then you locate the search icon at the bottom, tap it, and search for Encounter Jesus. Then you will see the app with this logo. Make sure it's the app that carries this very logo before you go ahead and install it. I have installed it, so I will head on to tap on Open. Then you tap on Get Started. Then you have the option to sign up using Google or with email. So to make it easier for me, I'll tap on Sign Up with Google. And here I have all the Google accounts connected to this very mobile device. So I'll select the account I want to sign up with, tap on this. Next, it will ask you to choose a username. I would create my username right away. Okay, so it's approved. Make sure that it is a minimum of 4 characters, no space, symbol, or special character. Tap on Continue. So you choose your country. You can tap on the drop down icon beside, and it's going to show you different countries where you can select from. I'll go with it, tap on Continue. Then you'll be asked to add a profile picture. You tap on the profile picture icon and it will take you to your gallery where you select the picture you want to use for your profile picture. I'll tap on Allow. So you choose the particular folder where your profile picture is. Okay, so I'll select this as my profile picture. Then tap on Continue and my profile is ready. So let's look at the interface. At the bottom you have notification. When you tap on it, you would see your notification. Then you have the library icon, tap on it. Here you see different sermons. Can you see? By Apostle Michael Orokpo. You can tap on series. Here you have series on marriage, priesthood, Thanksgiving, and all of that. So if you want to listen to a series on marriage, just tap on See All and you will see his messages on marriage. So you tap on it again, and it will start playing.
Encounters improve the quality of our lives.
Can you see?
Encounters come to reveal to us.
Let's go back. So if you want to listen to his series on priesthood, just tap on See All. On Thanksgiving, tap on See All and All. Next, you have the section for books. When you tap on it, you will see the books available for you to read. Then you have the option Shorts. Tap on it. You would also see the shorts available for you to watch. Then at the bottom again, tap on the icon Discipleship. And you see different category for discipleship. School of Spiritual Foundation. If you want to know more about it, tap on See All. School of Ministry, tap on See All. Leadership Training College. Sonship Submission, tap on See Details. Anakinosis School, tap on See Details. Mentorship, tap on See Details. When you tap on See Details, it will give you more information about this discipleship and you decide to enroll or not. Okay, so for this very one, which is School of Spiritual Foundation, it says that registration for the next cohort has not commenced, so kindly check back later. Then you have the icon Giving, tap on it. When you tap on it, you have the option to become a partner. If you want to support our ministry and advance God's kingdom, just toggle it on. It is currently gray, tap on it and toggle it on. So this is a sign that you have decided to become a partner. So you can partner either through offerings, tithes, either crusades, medical missions, prison outreach. You just choose how you want to become a partner. If you want to partner by giving your offerings and tithes, tap on it. And you see the option to select your payment method using card, transfer, PayPal, Zelle, cryptocurrency and all. You can tap on the drop down arrow beside currency and you choose your currency. You can pay either in dollars, pounds, euro, Ghana cedis and so on. Can you see? We have the options available for you to make payments. So you have another drop down beside offer. When you tap on it, you select, do you want to partner through offerings, tithes, partnerships, first fruits, special offering, or you just select. just select the one you want to go for. Then go back to the currency, choose the currency you want to pay, and then go ahead and select the payment method and make your payment. Let's go back. So in the home page, you have the President's broadcast, which was made on the 1st of October 2025. Can you see it? You can tap on the play button and you will listen to it. Then when you scroll down, you will see our Daily Bread with Apostle Michael. And today's topic is You Are of God. So you tap on read more to read more and get blessed. Just scroll down until you get to the confession, daily affirmation, and all of that. You have latest information, effective soul winning. You can tap on read more to know about it. Healing to the nations, tap on read more to know about it. You can tap on see all beside latest information to see more information. We also have information about the missions. Can you see? So as you scroll down, you're going to see a whole lot. Then we have the section for testimonies. Here you share your joy, share the Lord's doing in your life. Tap on it. So people have already dropped their testimonies and you can go ahead and read. Then if you want to testify, just tap on share your joy and then go ahead and type what the Lord has done for you. So you go ahead and tap on send. You have the option for 500 characters maximum. So we have the Encounter Jesus Kids television. When you tap on it, it will take you to the site, especially for kids. And then if you want to contact us, just tap on contact us for general or special inquiries, questions, or counseling, and you will receive the help you need. You can tap on your profile picture at the top left hand corner. Here you see your profile. You can tap on it and personalize it. Tap on edit profile at the top right hand corner. When you tap on it, it will give you the option to change your full name, your username, your email, your country, your phone number, your bio, and then go ahead and tap on save at the top. Let's go back again. So we have the option for community. Here you can join social groups and forums. Also have missions, testimonies. Here you share your joy. You can also share the app with others if you want others to download the app. So when you tap on share app, it will generate a link for you to share with others so that they'll be able to download the app. But currently this function is not active yet, and I believe they'll work on it very soon. Then you tap on your settings. Here you manage notifications and more. Tap on it. And then if you want to receive notifications, just tap on it. You can see mine is green, meaning I'm going to receive notifications. You can also apply to volunteer, apply to serve. Tap on it and it will lead you to where you can go ahead and indicate interest. You can give feedbacks, your ideas that you think would help improve this app. You can also read the community guidelines here. And if you want to delete your account, maybe you think this is not a place to be, of which I believe this should be a place to be. So, but just in case you want to delete your account, tap on delete and you no longer have an account with this very app. So let's go back. If you want to log out temporarily, not deleting your account, just tap on log out and it will sign you out of the app. Then you have this icon beside Ask AMO. When you tap on it, you drop your questions. Can you see? People are asking questions already, and make sure you make it clear and precise. You also have 500 characters. When you're done, you tap on send. If you got value in this video, consider liking this video and sharing it out to people who might find it useful. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button for more contents like this. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.